guys, you can hear me? Hello,
Yeah.
politically correct. Politician statements are and actions are never funny. Instead, they are politically correct. Top reasons why politicians make statements. First, because they are politicians. Second, to show how much they are good in making statements. Three, they are fed up of sleeping in the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. Fourth, whenever they feel like doing anything, something work. Fifth, they want their photo cutouts in the next day's magazines. On which occasions they make statements? First, elections, to show their power. Second, scams. It is the only opportunity where they have to show that they are the politics. Third, bomb blast. It is the only opportunity they said as yes, we survived this bomb blast too. Fourth, any breaking news, no conditions apply. Here they make the statements on any topic. Fifth, no breaking news. This is something interesting. Here they create the news and make the statements. Fully a creativity package. This guy should be in the XRG creativity team. Next, Digvijay Singh. He made a statement on the bomb blast. India is better placed than Pakistan, where blasts take place every day, every week. What he meant to say? Look at the Pakistan. They are very good at making the bombs. We should follow them. And I can prove this because he called Osama as Osama Ji. A Raja. He is the smartest politician I have ever seen. When he came to know that he might get arrested, he gone to the bank. He withdraw the money and literally the bank bounced. Karunanidhi. This man came in the defense of A Raja and said that A Raja is being targeted because he's a Dalit. So it's like, no, he's a member of parliament because he's a Dalit. Karunanidhi needs money. He's too old that recently his birth certificate expired. He's undergoing dialysis. Every day he drinks soup, shits pill, and gets hard money to buy Ray-Ban sunglasses and the wheelchair designed by Dilip Chavaria. Just to divert your attention from the CWG scam, someone said that CWG could be the potential terrorist target. I will tell you what terrorists were thinking. Why will I go and bomb these games? The stadiums are still not ready. Look at this fell down, they are bombing on themselves only. Kapil Sibal, the guy who came to inaugurate our ICT library. He was the telecom minister when the 2G scam happened. And the first statement he made was 2G mein to zero loss hai. Thank God he didn't make any statement that we had profit or something like that. In CAG report, it is written there is a loss of 1.76 lakh crore in the 2G. Guys, look at this figure. This figure is big enough to pop out your eyes. I will tell you what exactly happened when he saw this report. When he first saw that report, he only saw zeros. There are not 1, 2, 3, 4. There are total 12 zeros in this figure. Even CAT people got frustrated. At last, they used our 12 standard log tables to calculate the loss. Rahul Gandhi, our future PM. Come on guys, you, me, and everybody knows that if he's going to be PM. He always says one thing in every conference, every sabha, that we need educated people in the politics. I will tell you why he keeps saying that. Because इतने sophisticated scams pull करने के लिए हमें educated लोग तो चाहिए. People were not able to calculate the exact loss in the 2G and the coal scam. Just look at the scams of the uneducated people. Lalu saya करते हुए पड़े हुए. येडुरप्पा mining scam. आप एरोमल निकालो जमीन से वो खड्डा रहेगा, वो खड्डा दिखेगा, वो खड्डा नहीं जाएगा. These are so obvious that you are going to be caught at some point of time. Why this guy didn't get understand that he is going to be caught at some point of time? Nitin Gadkari, he made the statement on the mining scam. What he did, it was morally incorrect but legally correct. In school days, I learned that morally correct things are legalized. But I will not comment on this because this guy is so smart that he compared the IQ of Swami Vivekananda and the Dawood. P. Chidambaram, he was the finance minister on the time of the police scam. He didn't make any statement. Whenever media tried to call him, they got only one reply. The person you are trying to reach is out of coverage area. I will tell you why. Because this scam totally explains the free body diagram of the P. Chidambaram, where downward force acting on his M into G, that is mass into gravitational acceleration, and upward force acting on him is mass into 2G. Far away from the 2G scam. Then R.R. Patil, our Home Minister, made a statement after the attack. छोटी-छोटी बातें होती रहती है. This is so lame and pathetic statement. statement that by using this you can even lock the lips of Rakhi Sawant. Dr. Manmohan Singh, the PM of India, made a statement on Delhi gang rape after 8 days. ठीक है. And this is what I got. Legend. Wait for it, guys.